Window installation in Houston, Texas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of replacement windows, Houston options available, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and double-hung windows, Houston residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window replacement in Houston is a popular choice for those seeking to upgrade their home windows to more modern and efficient designs. Energy-efficient windows in Houston are a top priority for homeowners aiming to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Vinyl windows Houston offers are a durable and cost-effective option, providing excellent insulation and low maintenance requirements. Custom replacement windows Houston allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style and architectural preferences. Whether it's bay windows, casement windows, or sliding windows, custom options provide flexibility and creativity in window solutions. Window replacement in Houston is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of home windows, ensuring they remain in top condition. Storm windows in Houston are a vital addition for protecting homes against harsh weather conditions. These windows provide an extra layer of defense, reducing the risk of damage during storms. Houston window contractors are experienced professionals who offer a range of window services, from installation to replacement, ensuring high-quality results for residential windows. Home windows in Houston come in various styles and designs, catering to different tastes and needs. Window glass Houston options include tempered, laminated, and insulated glass, each offering unique benefits for safety and energy efficiency. Window frames Houston residents choose can be made from materials like wood, aluminum, or fiberglass, each providing distinct advantages in terms of durability and aesthetics. Bay windows Houston homeowners install add elegance and space to any room, creating a cozy nook for relaxation or display. Casement windows Houston offers are known for their excellent ventilation and unobstructed views, making them a popular choice for many homes. Window screens Houston residents use are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air to circulate. Sliding windows Houston are ideal for spaces with limited room for window operation, offering a sleek and modern look. Window upgrades Houston homeowners consider often include energy-efficient options and advanced security features. Window styles Houston offers range from traditional to contemporary, ensuring a perfect match for any home design. Window maintenance Houston services are crucial for prolonging the lifespan of windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Regular cleaning, inspection, and replacement can prevent costly replacements and enhance the overall appearance of home windows. Window solutions Houston provides are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner, offering a wide array of window options and designs. Residential windows Houston are an integral part of any home, contributing to its aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency. Replacement windows Houston experts rely on are knowledgeable and skilled in all aspects of window installation and replacement, providing top-notch service to their clients. Window Services Houston encompasses everything from consultation to installation, ensuring a seamless experience for homeowners.